The prenatal period spans from conception to birth, and it's divided into three key stages: germinal, embryonic, and fetal. The germinal stage, first to 2 weeks, involve fertilization, cell division, and implantation of blastocysts into the uterine wall. The embryonic stage, week 3 to 8 weeks, is marked by the formation of major organs and body systems. As the embryo becomes highly sensitive to environmental influences, it is the most critical phase of early development. During this time, the implanted zygote becomes an embryo, and the foundations of all major organs and body systems begin to form, a process called organogenesis. During the fetal stage, week 9 to birth, growth accelerates, the brain and nervous system mature, and the fetus begins to move and respond to stimuli. Each stage plays a critical role in shaping the foundation for physical, cognitive, and emotional development after birth.
Next to prenatal period is the infancy stage. The age that consists this stage is from birth up to 18 to 24 months, wherein infants has an extreme dependence on adults, meaning ang mga bata sa stage na to ay nakarely or nakadepende kung sino ang nag-aalaga sa kanila para sila ay makasurvive sa araw-araw, since there are a lot of things na hindi pa talaga nila kayang gawin as infants and as someone with an age of 18 to 24 months. In this stage, infants also begin to experience physical development, meaning sa stage pa lang din na to nade-develop ang control ng bata over movements, katulad na lang ng pagtaas ng kanilang mga ulo, pag-upo o pagsisimulang maglakad. Another thing that infants start to experience in this stage is their cognitive development. Cognitive development refers to the process of learning, thinking, and problem solving. Infants learn things through sensory experiences such as touching, tasting, seeing, hearing, and smelling. Paghawak sa kanilang toys, pagtikim ng pagkain, pag-amoy, pagrinig sa music or animal noises, at pagkakita sa iba't ibang colors, shapes, and patterns. Nade-develop ang problem solving ng isang bata. For example, pag-iisip kung paano aabutin ang laruan na out of their reach. Dito rin nag-i-start makipag-communicate ang mga bata because of sounds na kanilang naririnig, gestures na kanilang nakikita, and eventually, words na kanilang maiintindihan. Dito rin makakapag-form ng attachment at trust ang mga bata sa kung sino ang nag-aalaga sa kanila.
Early childhood. Early childhood lies between the ages of 2 to 6 years. It is a very crucial period of development of the child. It is also known as the toy age, pre-gang age, and exploratory age. A time of rich development as children grow rapidly in physical, cognitive, and social ways. Language skills continue to develop and improve that help children navigate their world and prepare to enter school. Early childhood develops the child's cognitive, emotional, and social skills. Cognitive development is focusing on child's language, symbolic thinking, and curiosity. It is the stage of development where the child learns how to speak and familiarize symbols. In this stage of development, children's curiosity emerges. They kept asking why. Emotional and social development, focusing on how the children interact and think. In this stage, children build their empathy, self-awareness, trust, and attachment in relation to their peers.
Middle and late childhood, from age 6 to 11, also called the elementary school years. During this time, children begin to master the important skills of reading, writing, and arithmetic. These skills serve as the foundation for their future learning. At this stage, children also become more independent in doing schoolwork. They start to develop better problem solving and thinking skills. Social interaction also grow as they learn to play and cooperate with friends. This is the period when they build self-confidence through achievement in school and activities. They also begin to understand roles, responsibilities, and teamwork. Overall, this stage is very important for both academic and personal growth.
Adolescence is a stage of life between childhood and adulthood, usually from ages 12 to 18. Physical changes. One of the first signs of adolescence is the change in the body. This is when puberty starts. Boys begin to have deeper voices, grow facial hair and body hair, and develop stronger muscles. Girls start menstruation. Their bodies change shape and they become taller. Cognitive changes. Adolescence also brings changes in the mind. Teens start to think in a deeper and more logical way. They no longer just follow rules without question, but they begin to ask why those rules exist. Emotional changes. The emotional part of adolescence can be challenging because of hormones. Teenagers often experience mood swings where they can feel happy one moment and sad or angry the next. Social changes. Social life also changes during adolescence. Teenagers want more independence from their parents and spend more time with friends. Friendship and peer groups become a big part of their life. They also start to ask questions about who they are and who they want to be in the future.
First step, college years. For many, early adulthood begins with college. It's a time to explore interests, develop skills, and build relationships. You'll have the chance to try new things, meet new people, and discover your passion. Second phase, career exploration. As you near the end of your education, you'll start thinking about your career. What do you want to do? What kind of job will make you happy? It's okay to not have all the answers. Early adulthood is a time for exploration, experimentation. And last, relationship. Relationships are a big part of early adulthood. You'll form close bonds with friends, family, and potentially romantic partners. This relationship will support you, challenge you, and help you grow as a person.
Middle adulthood. This is the time from about 40 to the late 60s. Middle-aged adults may begin to show visible signs of aging. In this stage, women experience menopause, which ends natural fertility, and menopause can have many side effects. Changes can occur to skin, and other changes may include a decrease in maximal heart rate and graying of loss of hair. Also, there are some significant psychosocial changes, one of those being what we call the sandwich generation. Meaning the middle adult is kind of stuck in the middle here because many times at this age they may have large responsibilities. Maybe there could be children that they are taking care of, and also maybe even parents of older adults.
Late adulthood, generally considered to being around age 65, is the final stage of life characterized by ongoing physical, cognitive, and social change, including retirement and reflection on one life achievement. While there are decline in physical and cognitive abilities, individual can experience grow in wisdom and maintain high level of expertise and social engagement. through lifelong learning and community involvement. This stage is defined by Erickson's theory of integrity versus despair, where individuals evaluate their life with either satisfaction or regret.